Carol Dweck referred to the phrase the power of yet in her awesome book, Mindset. In it, she writes, yet, a powerful 3-letter word that means an implied time, still, even, or nevertheless. In some of my previous videos, I spoke about the importance of incorporating the growth mindset into a child's learning process. The power of yet plays a big part in this. So why is using this 3-letter word so important? Well, for one thing, it feels a lot less final. It suggests that change is possible and that there is room for improvement and time to grow into what is necessary to succeed. Rather than being a no, it's more like not quite, keep trying. It gives you something to work towards and to strive for. It gives you purpose. More than that though, it makes whatever you're trying to achieve seem possible. So, how do we then use yet? Well, when children are faced with working through their biggest challenges every day and need help to succeed in an academic setting, that's when we unleash the power of yet. When a child says they can't do something like, I can't wrap my head around long division, you can say, you can't wrap your head around long division yet. That's it. By adding the word yet to a sentence, it gives the child the power to believe in themselves. That self-belief is what makes a growth mindset happen. Failure or rejection is not the end. It's just another step along the path. Instead of feeling silly, incapable, and judged when you make a mistake or when something doesn't go the way we plan, we could engage with it and learn from it so that we can do better next time. Using the concept of yet allows us to take a deeper look at things, process them, and then try again, rather than running away or hiding, or worse yet, giving up altogether and never trying again. I find using the word yet to be fun. It gives me an opportunity to believe in improvement. It creates a space where opportunity, creativity, and development are the norm, and that seems like a much more exciting place to live. Present-day progress and research in neuroscience has shown us that the brain is far more malleable than we ever knew. Research on brain plasticity has shown how connectivity between neurons can change with experience. With practice, neural networks grow new connections, strengthen existing ones, and build insulation that speeds transmission of impulses. These neuroscientific discoveries have shown us that we can increase our neural growth by the actions we take, such as using good strategies, asking questions, practicing, and following good sleep and nutrition habits. This can sound very complicated, but it really isn't. We can start by making changes like using the word yet when faced with challenges or when talking to a frustrated child. This simple concept can make all the difference and help shift a fixed mindset into a growth mindset. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this, and I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on the growth and fixed mindset. Thank you. Bye now.